Hi everyone, welcome again to the quick report generation using Excel. Today we will be generating the report card, which is Mount Speke report card. So this is the sample report card and sample Excel sheet I have, in which on the first sheet, school sheet, there is the school details, or the institute details, the logo, and the other grade boundaries, including the theme, and the promoted to as well. So this school address and the logos are printed here at the top of the report card, and these grade boundaries will be printed at the bottom of the report card. And you need to select one of these themes and enter it here. Now let's move to the student data. Here is the student list, class name, the attendance details, date of birth, and promoted to. So the student details are here. Now the subject results. Here enter is subject name, or the replace the subject names, and term 1 and term 2 data. So this is the main table of the report card, scholastic areas term 1 and term 2, and these are the subjects. So the PT marks are printed as it is, the PA marks SENHY grades which are printed as it is for term 1 and term 2. Now next is the student comment. The student comment will be printed here as the class teacher's comment, and the signatures will be printed at the bottom of the report card. You need to enter their name, the signature holder's designation, and the digital signature. So this will be printed here. Now there are co-scholastic areas for term 1. So these are the grades which are evaluated for the co-scholastic areas for term 1 and will be printed here like this, and similarly for term 2 and discipline term 1 and term 2. So what you need to do is you need to replace or enter your data in this sample Excel sheet to generate this report card. So this is how we can generate the exam type plus skill based Mount Speke report.